Get ready because the news cycle is absolutely on fire, and we've got the essential updates you need to stay ahead. From groundbreaking government deals to surprising software shifts and innovative financial products, the world is moving at lightning speed, and you're about to get the inside scoop. We're diving deep into the stories that are shaping our future, so buckle up and prepare to be informed. You don't want to miss a single second of this. First up, a monumental agreement is set to transform how government agencies operate, bringing cutting-edge technology directly into the heart of public service. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in efficiency and capability. Then, we're looking at a significant move by a major tech player that could redefine user experience for millions, impacting how we interact with our most essential digital tools every single day. What does this mean for you? Stick around to find out. Next, get ready for a development that merges two massive financial worlds in a way we've never seen before, creating a whole new landscape for investors and innovators alike. This is a game changer that bridges the gap between traditional markets and the digital frontier. Finally, we're breaking down a crucial update to a ubiquitous operating system that's raising eyebrows and sparking conversations across the tech community. Is it a step forward or a shift in a different direction? We've got all the details. You're watching Microsoft Sphere, and we've got your essential updates right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our community so you never miss out. Government Tech Revolution Unleashed. Microsoft has officially secured a significant deal to provide its powerful Copilot AI features, integrated within the Office 365 suite, to various U.S. federal agencies. This landmark agreement, personally announced by Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella via post on X, signals a major push towards modernizing government operations through advanced artificial intelligence. Nadella highlighted the immense potential of this collaboration, stating that it will not only accelerate the adoption of AI and digital technologies across government sectors, but also yield substantial taxpayer savings, projecting an impressive $3 billion in the first year alone. This initiative builds upon Microsoft's long-standing partnership with the U.S. government, which spans over 4 decades and has focused on areas like IT infrastructure modernization and cybersecurity enhancement, all underpinned by a foundation of trust and innovation. The core of this deal involves granting government agency personnel access to Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered assistant designed to enhance productivity within familiar Microsoft 365 applications, such as Word, PowerPoint, and others. This advanced AI companion is being provided at no additional cost to these agencies. Microsoft aims to empower public servants with the sophisticated tools necessary to execute their missions with greater effectiveness and security. By integrating services like Azure, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Dynamics 365, and their comprehensive security platforms, all backed by robust security and compliance certifications, the company intends to help agencies streamline their systems, improve the delivery of citizen services, and drive forward their overall technology transformation goals. Copilot, which first debuted to Windows users last year, has already begun to infuse many of Microsoft's existing services with AI capabilities. While the specific financial terms of the U.S. government deal remain undisclosed, Microsoft has previously committed significant investment into AI development, earmarking $80 billion for AI initiatives in 2025, underscoring the company's strategic focus on this rapidly evolving field. This move positions Microsoft at the forefront of AI integration within the public sector, promising a future of enhanced efficiency and innovation for federal services. The agreement is poised to be a catalyst for digital transformation, offering a glimpse into how AI can reshape public administration and service delivery. This partnership is already generating buzz, with analysts pointing to the potential for significant efficiency gains and cost reductions across federal agencies, while citizens anticipate improved service delivery. The move is seen as a major endorsement of AI's role in government. But that's not all the news from the tech giant. Stay tuned as we reveal a surprising freebie being offered to the U.S. government that could save billions. government services get a major AI boost. In a significant development for public sector technology, the U.S. General Services Administration, GSA, has announced a groundbreaking agreement with Microsoft that will provide U.S. government agencies with a full year of access to Microsoft's advanced AI computing applications at no cost. This initiative, detailed in a press release from Microsoft, aims to accelerate the adoption of secure and compliant artificial intelligence tools, thereby enhancing government operations, bolstering security measures, and fostering innovation for the American public. Microsoft emphasized that this comprehensive agreement covers a suite of productivity, cloud, and AI services, including the highly anticipated Microsoft 365 Copilot, for millions of existing Microsoft G5 users. Microsoft's G5 is a specialized version of the Microsoft 365 platform, specifically licensed and secured for governmental use, ensuring compliance with stringent federal standards. Stephen Ahikian, Deputy Administrator for the GSA, expressed enthusiasm for the partnership, stating, "GSA is proud to partner with technology companies, like Microsoft, to advance AI adoption across the federal government, a key priority of the Trump administration." He further urged federal partners to capitalize on these agreements, highlighting the transformative potential of these AI tools for government workers in streamlining operations, reducing costs, and improving overall results. The pact not only includes essential Microsoft Suite applications like Microsoft 365 and Copilot, but also extends to Azure Cloud Services and Dynamics 365, alongside crucial cybersecurity and monitoring tools. The GSA estimates that this comprehensive package could lead to potential savings amounting to $3.1 billion within the first year of implementation. Further underscoring its commitment, Microsoft has pledged an additional $20 million in support services to aid federal agencies in the seamless implementation and effective instruction for these new applications. Microsoft Chairman and CEO Satya Nadella reiterated the benefits, stating, "With this new agreement with the U.S. General Services Administration, including a no-cost Microsoft 365 Copilot offer, we will help federal agencies use AI and digital technologies to improve citizen services, strengthen security, and save taxpayers more than $3 billion in the first year alone." This move by Microsoft contrasts with recent deals struck by other major tech companies like Google, Anthropic, and OpenAI with the GSA, none of which have included a free service component, making Microsoft's offer particularly notable. This strategic move positions Microsoft as a key enabler of AI transformation within the U.S. government. This unprecedented free year of services is being hailed as a major win for government efficiency and a testament to Microsoft's commitment to public sector digital transformation, sparking widespread discussion on AI's role in governance. While Microsoft is making significant moves in government AI, their latest operating system update is making waves for a very different reason. Get ready to find out why the upcoming Windows 11 update might not be the feature-packed release everyone was hoping for. Windows 11 Update, a featureless future. Microsoft's upcoming Windows 11 25H2 update is generating a surprising amount of discussion, and not necessarily for the reasons users might expect. Unlike previous major operating system releases that often bring a host of new features and significant user experience enhancements, the 25H2 update is notably devoid of any new functionalities. In fact, it appears to be a consolidation rather than an expansion of features. Microsoft announced through a blog post that Windows 11 version 25H2 has been released to the Release Preview channel, indicating a general release to all users is imminent. However, the tech giant has confirmed that this update will not introduce any new features. Instead, it will leverage a shared servicing branch with version 24H2, meaning both versions will utilize the same feature set. This shared platform approach is intended to streamline the upgrade process, making the transition to 25H2 a quicker affair for users. However, the consequence is a distinct lack of novel features to report. Adding to the subdued anticipation, Microsoft has also stated that two features will be removed in the upcoming update: PowerShell 2, a fundamental command line shell, and Windows Management Instrumentation, command line, WMIC. While everyday users are unlikely to notice the absence of these specific tools, power users and system administrators who rely on these command line utilities might find their removal inconvenient. Despite the absence of new features, the shared platform between 25H2 and 24H2 promises minimal changes to existing apps and settings, which should facilitate a smooth transition for users. It's also anticipated that version 24H2 will continue to receive upcoming features, with 25H2 acting more as an enablement package. This strategy suggests Microsoft might be conserving major feature drops for future, larger updates, potentially for a rumored Windows 12 release. In the meantime, Microsoft is likely focusing its efforts on encouraging the migration of users from Windows 10, which is set to reach its end of support this fall. Despite the lack of new features in 25H2, Microsoft has been actively integrating AI capabilities into Windows 11 throughout the summer, including an AI agent in Windows settings for easier navigation, a Relight feature in the Photos app for image enhancement, expanded tools in Click to Do, and an improved screenshot feature in the snipping tool. These ongoing AI integrations indicate that while 25H2 itself may be a minor update, the broader Windows 11 experience continues to evolve. The announcement has led to a mixed reaction, with some users appreciating the stability and streamlined update, while others express disappointment over the lack of new features, especially with Windows 10 nearing its end. While the Windows update might be a quiet affair, the financial world is buzzing with a new, innovative product that's bridging two major markets. Prepare yourself for a financial fusion that could redefine investment strategies. Coinbase bridges stocks and crypto with new futures index. Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, is making a significant move into traditional finance by launching a novel futures contract that tracks a unique index combining top U.S. tech stocks with cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Dubbed the Mag 7 Plus Crypto Equity Index Futures, this innovative product merges the traditionally separate worlds of equities and crypto into a single, tradable monthly contract. This represents a first-of-its-kind U.S.-listed derivative, offering investors exposure to both major tech companies and the digital asset market in one integrated package. The contract will be cash-settled, with each unit valued at $1 multiplied by the index price, meaning a $3,000 index value translates to a $3,000 contract value. According to Coinbase's official press release, the Mag 7 Plus Crypto Equity Index futures are designed to be capital efficient, providing investors with diversified risk exposure across both the technology and cryptocurrency sectors. The index is composed of 10 equally weighted components. These include the prominent Magnificent 7 group of U.S. tech stocks, Coinbase's own stock, Coin, and 2 cryptocurrency ETFs. The specific components are Apple AAPL, Microsoft MSFT, NVIDIA NVDA, Tesla TSLA, Amazon AMZN, Alphabet GOOGL, Meta Platforms Meta, Coinbase Coin, the iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, and the iShares Ethereum Trust ETHA. By maintaining equal weighting, Coinbase aims to mitigate overexposure to any single company or asset, although these weights are subject to adjustment during quarterly rebalances, resetting to 10% each. Market Vector has been appointed as the official index provider, responsible for its maintenance and rebalancing. Coinbase asserts that the index is tailored for investors seeking thematic exposure to the combined tech and crypto markets, diversification through a single product, and tools for managing multi-asset risk. The exchange heralds this launch as ushering in a new era of multi-asset derivatives, aligning with its broader strategy to expand access across various asset classes. The futures contract will feature monthly settlements. Initially, access will be available through partner platforms, with Coinbase planning to extend availability to retail investors in the coming months. The inclusion of Coinbase's own stock and BlackRock-linked ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum highlights the platform's commitment to integrating digital assets with traditional financial instruments. This pioneering product signifies a major step in blurring the lines between traditional and digital asset markets, offering a unique investment vehicle. The launch is being met with significant interest from both traditional investors and crypto enthusiasts, who see it as a novel way to gain diversified exposure to high-growth sectors. And that wraps up our deep dives for today. We've covered government AI deals, OS updates, and a groundbreaking financial product. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back with a quick recap and a look at what's next. And that's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw Microsoft strike a massive deal to bring Copilot AI to federal agencies, potentially saving billions. Then, we learned about a surprising free year of services for the US government, a huge win for taxpayer dollars. Next, the Windows 11 25H2 update is here, but it's bringing no new features, focusing instead on streamlining. Finally, Coinbase is shaking things up by launching futures that blend top tech stocks with crypto ETFs, creating a whole new investment landscape. Don't miss out on any of the action. Hit that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more essential tech news, ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.